how much reverb you want to have in there. And of course you can do a lot of other things with that. You can reverse it, chop it up. Hi everybody and welcome back on a new vlog. This is part 3 from recording your effects. I get a lot of questions about it, and one question was, yeah, with the other two you explained a lot, but you didn't record only the reverb or the delay, whatever you want. I still could hear a little bit of the original sound, and that's true. I thought that was the question, but now I'm gonna explain how you can only bounce or record the effect, so the delay or the reverb or whatever you want. It's very simple. It's my YouTube starters project. I've got a simple lead with no reverb. The sound doesn't matter what you're gonna use. You can use it on anything, on vocals, but for the tutorial's sake I just have this sound. Then I go to my bus. It's my drum reverb. It's here, and I'm gonna put the amount I want on the sound, and it sounds like this. If I'm gonna bounce this one, it sounds like this. And he puts the reverb in there. I don't want that. So what we're gonna do, it's the same with the other one. We're gonna make a track, go down here, push Control, then this menu opens, and then create a track. And we have a track here, and then the special or the extra step is coming around again. We have to sign in. Press T to open the menu. And what we have to do to only record the reverb in this case, it also can be a delay or a total chain with effects. You have to put this one on pre-fader. And then solo this one. And then we're gonna bounce this one. And if you listen then only to the track, we only have the reverb then. And what you can do then, you go to the normal track, mute this one, and you can select here how much reverb you want to have in there. And of course you can do a lot of other things with that. You can reverse it, chop it up, whatever you want to make a special effect. And that it works with another effect. In this case, of course, we go to the bass. And when I put in here, let me say stereo delay. It sounds like that. I'm gonna mute the reverb for now. And we do the same as before. Solo this one. Control B. And then it's of course no reverb, but it's a delay. And then check this out. We're gonna mute this one for now, and then we have only the delay. With the reverb is like that. And of course you can play around with the levels of the volumes. That's my cat. She wants some food on the background. So I'm gonna give her some food. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up. And my cat starts to scream louder. I hope to see you tomorrow. Enjoy.